Question is asking what is the value of this particular expression is the question asking. See, very simple. You see here 40 and 20 will give me 60 degree, correct or not? 60 degree is nothing but 40 degree plus 20 degree. So can we not take like this? When if I take the tangent component on both sides, I can write tangent 60, that is equal to tan of 40 degree plus 20 degree. What is the formula for, what is the value of tan 60 quantified value? Root 3. So we know the formula for tan of a plus b. Tan of a plus b can be written as tan a plus tan b, tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a into tan b, correct? 1 minus tan a into tan b. So I can write here tan 40 degree plus tan 20 degree divided by 1 minus tan of 40 degree into tan of 20 degree, correct or not? So you cross multiply like this, you will get root 3 minus root 3 into tan of 40 degree into tan of 20 degree into tan of 20 degree, that is equal to tan 40 degree plus tan 20 degree, tan 40 degree plus tan of 20 degree, correct? So your answer to the question here, now see, look here, this is from here only I'll write tan 40 plus tan 20, take this on the other side, take this on the other side, it will be plus. So what will be the answer that we get is equal to root 3, like this. In the competitive exam, you don't have to write everything, students. You write till one point, after that match the question, immediately you'll get one answer. What is the answer left over? Root 3 will be the answer. Is it okay?